Today in this video I show you how to get the new Messenger update. For this you have to open App Store. Now click on search icon. Tap on search bar. Now you have to search Messenger. Open Messenger. Now if you find any update on your Messenger app, then click on it and update your Messenger app like this. Now if you don't find update on Messenger in App Store, then you can try to reinstall Messenger. Uninstall Messenger from your device. Press and hold your Messenger app. Now click on remove app and then you have to click on delete app for uninstalling Messenger on iPhone. After doing this, you can reinstall Messenger from App Store. By doing this, you will get the new Messenger update. And if you still don't get the new Messenger update, then it may be your country or region issue. So you have to wait to get the latest version of Messenger app. So this is how you can get the new Messenger update. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.